Alright, number 11. Okay, nomor 11. In meeting, there are 10 people not knowing each other. In order to get acquainted, they need to have a handshake. So they need to have the handshake and knowing each other, how are you, what's your name, etc. So the number of handshake it takes to get everybody know each other is. So what are we going to use, the permutation or combination? Look, does it matter if A having a handshake with B or B having a handshake with A? Is there any difference? No, there is no difference for this kind of question, for this kind of handshake. So we are going to use, so the order is doesn't matter, we are going to use the combination. So how many people we got? 10 people. In each handshake, how many people we got? 2. So every handshake we have to get 2 people. So here we got 10 factorials over 2 factorials and times 10 minus 2 is 8 factorials. So this is the combination formula, which is 10 times 9 times 8 factorials over 2 times 8 factorials. It is 5. 5 times 9, 45. So we got 45 handshakes on the stage. Now, let's go on to another question, number 12. The number of ways can be made of choosing 4 members of a committee from 6 people is. Does order matter? No. It asks you to choose 4 from 6. So we got 6 combination of 4, which is 6 factorial over 4 factorials times 6 minus 4 is 2 factorial. So this is 6 factorial is 6, 5 times 4 factorials. 4 factorials and 2 factorial is 2. So we delete each other and this one too being 3. It is equals to 15. So 6 combination 4 is 15. Okay, next question, number 13. A quiz team of 5 students is selected from What is Tobe? Selected from 6 boys and 4 girls. The number of possible teams that can be selected in which there are more boys than girls is. So we got a team of 5. So boys and girls. A team of 5. And it says boys more than the girls. So the first possibility is 3 is more than 2. Okay, next 4 and 1. Next 5 and 0. That's possible 0 because it doesn't say we have to include at least 1 girl. So this is also boys more than girls. So this is 5, this is 4, this is 5, this is 5, this is also 5. When we add each other, 3 add 2, 4 add 1, 5 add 0. Okay, next, what are we going to do? There is nothing. It says there is no order right here. So we are going to have the 6 boy will be chosen 3. 6 combination 3 times 4 girls 4 combination 2 equals to something else, equals to something. Let's we'll search the bottom. and then we'll got 6 combination for 6 boys will be choose. 4 will be choose from 6 times 1 will be choose from 4 equals to something else. And the last thing is 6 from 6 boys will be taken 5, from 4 girls will be taken 0 equals to something, and then we'll add them. Okay, let's search 6 factorials over 3 factorials. 6 minus 3 equals to 3 factorials 2, so it is going to be times 5 times 4, and 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. This is equals to 6, so we got 5 times 4, which is 20. Another one, 4 factorials over 2 factorials. 4 minus 2 is 2 factorials, so we'll get this one, 4 times 3 times 2 factorial, and 2 factorial is 2 itself, so 2 we can erase with 4, which is equals to 2. Okay, 2 times 3, 5 times 4, 20. 2 times 3 is 6, so we got 120. Okay, the next row, 6 combination 4, 6 factorial, 4 factorial, 6 minus 4, 2 factorial. This is equals to 6 times 5 times 4 factorials. 2 factorial is 2 itself. You can erase this one. 3 times 5 equals to 15. And this one for combination 1. So we got 4 factorials, 1 factorials. 4 minus 1 is 3 factorials. So this is going to be 4 times 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial, so it is the rest is 4. 15 times 4 equals to 60. And the last row for this one is 6 factorials, 5 factorials. 6 minus 5 is 1 factorials. Yeah. 6 factorial is 6 times 5 factorials, so it is equals to 6. Then the girls position, 4 factorials over 0 factorials. 0 factorials is equals to 1. 4 minus 0 is 4 factorials, so it is each other. 1 over 1 is equals to 1, so it is equals to 6. 6 times 1, so we will add them. 6 add with 2, 8, 1, 886. Okay, next question. This is the third. The question number 13 is a little bit harder, but number 14 looks like much more easier. 6 factorials, 2 factorials, 4 factorials, so it is equals to 6 times 5 times 4 factorials. 2 factorial is 2 times 4 factorials, we delete each other, and this one with 3, so 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Yep. Next question, number 15. Wow. Yeah, simplify again. N plus 2 factorial. N plus 2 factorial is n plus 2 times n plus 1 times n minus 1, etc. factorial over n factorial. So this is on the top is going to be like n plus 2 times the number down, this one step down, this one is n plus 1, another step is n Okay, we got n, and here we got n factorial 2. So this, the last thing is n factorials. So we can erase them, and the rest, yeah, the rest is n plus 2 times n plus 1. This is the answer. Or n times n square, n times 1 plus n, 2 times n plus 2n, 2 times 1 plus 2 equals to n square plus 3n plus 2. Alright, thank you. Next questions are going to be in the next videos.